It ain't nothing to John. Now, let's talk price. Are you on?
I got enough slack in here so we can do something.
Okay.
I just don't, unless you got some caulk laying around.
I know John can do it. Come on, John. Tell me what you do.
Working.
Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. I'll take that. John working. He's tired of moving this camera. He's working. Oh, see what I'm saying? Y'all see that? See, don't slip. He might be a little old, but he got it. He said he got that great white hair for nothing. And look, John got it where it's not on the ground now, y'all. Tell him how you did that though, John. You don't want to tell your secrets. Yeah.
Now, take a picture of this and go around and doing it. It's better.
That is better, John. Hold up, man. Get it out the way, man. Nah, I have to do this. This is my little thing, man. This is my little thing. I just.
pipe right there. Can you help me hold it up there for a second?
Put it on that pipe that's coming out the house. Okay. Hold it. Push it. There you go. Push it.
Push it away. Like
There you go. Push it. Push it in like that. I can see it.
push it towards the tub. And push it out here towards me. Try to slide it in.
There you go.
Right,
Hold up. Hold up.
All right, pull it back just a little bit. All right.
Hold up.
All right. Can you push it out towards me, coming out of the house at a 45? He took the cast iron that was on the pipe with these, took those off, ran it in PVC.
All right.
Now I don't have to cut it down between the joists.
Oh, that's good.
What about you?
You doing a repipe?
You're doing everything.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's one of them old houses back in like 1905.
All right.
There you go.
That's what we working on. We're working on a 1920 bungalow. 1920 bungalow, 100 years old. That's what we're doing right now. Yeah, I know, right? Talk to me, John.
You want to mess with the tub overflow?
No, I don't want to mess with that, John. Just just.
What I'm telling you is, how are you going to get back up underneath there if it messes up? And then you're going to say, well, we ran the water to the tub, but no, we didn't mess with it.
What is the tub? Did the tub already have overflow? Oh, okay, so what you have to do?
Diverter valves are
I'll go with you, John.
for a tub.
I ain't gonna remember. All right, man, look at all this plumbing stuff, man. John got me out here, man. I'm trying to learn something. He teaching a young buck like myself. Hey, the young buck. The jitterbug.
Oh boy, not the jitterbug.
This PVCP? PVC?
PVC.
This is a 4-inch?
4.
All right.
I know I'm going to forget something.
No, don't worry about it. Take your time, John.
But hurry up.
No, take your time. Because I don't want you to forget nothing. You got 2 water. All righty. What's those, John?
One line.
Water lines? That's PVC Plex.
CPVC.
Ah, what's the difference? Educate me.
PVC is for cold water. CPVC you can use hot and cold water.
Okay.
I don't work in this department.
Y'all heard that, didn't you?
This time, looking for water faucets. I would appreciate it on the house.
Oh, yeah, on the outside? Yeah, you gonna get the thing to make it straight? Yeah, 2 of them, yeah.
You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead, John. 2 of them. We got it all ready for you, and I don't want no crazy prices today. I want some good love. Don't start that truck up. No. Let's go, John. Woo-hoo! No, just go and replace it, John.